16, 17, 17.
I thought there were only 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. Okay, keep reading. In 2 straight lines.
They broke their bread and brushed their teeth and went to bed. Remember the donkey sleeping and when is the little girl's bed?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A donkey?
No.
A doggy?
No. A horse.
A horse?
Yeah.
Okay, keep reading. They smiled.
At the good and they're frightened at the bad. And sometimes they're very sad. Left the house and passed that line.
In 2 straight lines.
Rain or shine. The smallest one was Madeline.
She was not.
Afraid of night.
She loved.
No. Winter.
Good.
That Madeline.
Yep. To the.
Tiger in the zoo. Madeline just said poo-poo.
That one makes me laugh.
In the middle.
And nobody knew.
So well. Right.
Good job, Gwenny. Can you blow a kiss? Say I love you, Daddy.
No.
No?
No, yeah.
Blow him a kiss and say I love you.
I love you.
Good.